Hello, when you are working in component properties, you have 5 different options, and the third option is instance swap. So in this example, I have an input field component and I want to show icons on the right side, and these are the instances I have used inside the form. So first I will go to the right side in the properties panel. I will press this plus icon and I will create an instance swap. So I will call it icons, and in instances I will pick an instance. So going to component properties, and I will select right icon and create property. So now you can see that there is no icon. So I will grab this icon and pressing option, and I will leave it inside the component itself. But I will go to over the right side, and over here I will select the icons instance swap over here, and now I will click the instance. So for example, for the first name the right icon is fine, and for the last name I want to show the right icon over here, so I will select the wrong over here. And for the email I want to select the note, so I will select the note over here. Press the like button if you like it, follow and subscribe me for more.